Thanks for joining me. I'm Corel Painter Master Rutten, and I'm excited to announce that I've just released my new Corel Painter training course. This course is 19 hours long, so as you can imagine, I've covered quite a bit of Corel Painter. You'll learn about the essential tools and functions of Corel Painter, you'll learn about the various types of brushes and how to use them, you'll learn how to customize Corel Painter and create your own custom brushes, and we'll go through a real-world digital painting workflow from beginning to end so you can get a feel for how to put all these skills together to create a finished masterpiece. My video training course can be downloaded to your computer so that you can watch it anytime it's convenient for you. There's no time limit. If you want to learn how to master Corel Painter and become more comfortable making digital art, this course is for you. If you'd like to order this course, there's a link down in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.